Hi guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to create kids animated story videos with ChatGPT. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, so don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. And so first we need to go into the browser. Now we'll go to ChatGPT over here, and so here I'm going to search for create moral story about dogs and cats. Here you can use, for example, 350 words, and then you wait until the chat generate the story. And now once we got the script over here, so we're able to create the story. And so let's go to the second chapter. We need to go and open a new tab over here, and then we need an AI voice. So we search for Prime Voice AI, and we'll open the 11 labs over here. And then we're going to take this, we're going to copy the script, and we'll go to website, and we're going to paste it over here, and we can change the voiceover to any one of these. So I'm going to choose, for example, Harry. Here you can listen to the voice. Just wait a few seconds.
Dogs and cats once lived in harmony. However, jealousy emerged when plump mice appeared. They competed fiercely, forgetting their friendship. An old owl intervened, advising cooperation. Dogs protected the village, while cats used their agility to catch mice.
Okay, so that's good enough. We're going to click over here to download the voice, and as you can see, the voice being downloaded. And so let's go to the third chapter, or the third step over here. We need the footage or the pictures, and so we go to another website or another tab, let us say, and search for Lexica, and open this website over here. And so we have the search bar over here. So let's go and check the words. So it says in a peaceful village, dogs and cats. So we're gonna take this and copy this one and go to Lexica. We can search and generate. So I'll go to search here and search for dogs and cats in a peaceful village. Click on search. And so we got over 1,900 results. So I'm gonna pick up this one, for example, and click on download. You can swipe between all of these, but I prefer the first one. So also we can pick up this one as well. It seems very well to the story. So once we downloaded the pictures, we need to animate some of them. So we'll go to any website. It's convert.leaibix.com, and so here we just need to click on this button. So we click on get started in order to upload our pictures, so we can get a 3D effects to our pictures. And so we can drag and drop an image over here. I'm gonna click on upload to get my pictures. So let's go to downloads here and pick up this one. Wait a few seconds until getting 100%. So just to set expectations, you got some credits. In my case, I got 500 credits over here, and these credits are limited. And so I got the picture over here. As you can see, there's an effect, but also there are some animation styles. As you can see, this one, the horizontal or the white circle itself, vertical, and so on. You can choose between all of these. The animation length as well, the amount of the animation, the focus point, you can change this as well, and the edge dilation, and also the advanced editor. And so once I get this good enough, I click on export over here, and that cost me 20 credits out of 500. So I'm gonna click on save and wait a few seconds until the picture is exported and saved to my computer. And so here the picture has been saved. I'm gonna close this one. Now let's go to animate the videos. So we'll go to Google, and so we're gonna search for Canva and open Canva over here, the visual suite for everyone. This is the slogan of the website of Canva. And so once we got these templates, we got such as options of these. I'm gonna click on video, or I'm gonna search for video, better say, here, and I'll choose this one, video. And we got video templates, but for my end, I need to create a video from scratch. So I'll click over here on this blank one. Now I need to upload my picture. So I'll go to upload over here. As you can see, we got images, videos, and audio. So I'll go to images and click on upload files. And go for downloads to download this one. This is not a picture, but it's a video. So wait a few seconds until this get uploaded. And then once uploaded, I'm gonna pick up this one, put it here in the timeline. And so I right click over here to click on detach video from background, and I can change the width of the video or the GIF. So I'm gonna make it this way in order to be in a full screen. So this backs to you, depends on how much you like to make it. I'm gonna make it on this way so it will be able to see, right? Also, I would like to get a background, so I'll go down here to apps and I'll search for text to image, and I got this one over here, so I'll click on it, I'll click and open. That's a new tool from Canva. So I'm going to search, for example, for natural background or forests. Let us say forests. So we have cats and dogs, and click and enter. So just wait a few seconds until we get this bar to 100%. And so I got this first. I'm going to prefer to take this one, to put it here in the timeline, and just make it like this, a little bit bigger, so we can see the forest this way. And so I like to add a cat and dog here, so I'll search for a cat and click enter. And so I click over here to the cat. So we go to another step, which is the animation. So I click on animate over here, and here we got create an animation, which is a new feature from Canva. So I'll make the cat jump like this once again, and the third time to be like that. So I can change it to smooth or to steady. Also I can change the speed of the jump using the smooth or the original as this, and then click on done. That's how I animated this one using, let's see here. So that was an animated one. Also we can add the picture of our uploads, which was this shot. We take it here using this effect. Also, if you'd like to add some graphics, or let's say some effects like snow, so on, we go to elements over here, and then we get the search for snow effect, and click on graphics. So we got multiple options such as these. We got some premium and some for free. So this one is 100% free. We click on it, like this, move it to this way so it fits the video itself. As you can see, we have this now over here. And so also we need to add the subtitle. So we'll go to uploads over here and go to audio and upload files. Let's go to upload the subtitle here. This one, click on it, wait a few seconds, and so we got the voiceover, so we add it over here on the timeline. Once again, we need to drag and drop, so we got the subtitle over here.
In a peaceful village, dogs and cats once lived in harmony.
Right, we can hear the voiceover, and so we got the voiceover, and we got the video, and we got the background. And so we need to export this video, so we can click on share, and we need to go to download here, click on download, make sure to get all the pages, and click on download. So we have done over here, and so we got the video downloaded. We need to put the voiceover, so we go to Google and search for here, search for vid.io, and open this website here, and click on start for free, this button, and wait a few seconds until it's downloading. So we need to upload the video over here on this one, so we double click on upload a file over here. We can drag and drop or upload it, such as this one. We click here, wait a few seconds until it's uploading to the website. Now once we're here, we go to subtitles, this option, and click on subtitle, and instead of translate for sure, we can change our language over here. So I'm gonna pick up the English, which is the language of this video, and now we got the option to use English for UK, US, Australia, India, and so on. So let's pick up US, and then click on create subtitles. It's generating the subtitles already using the AI to generate the subtitle of the videos. And so here we got the subtitle was created, or we'll say was generated by AI. So for example, we click over here in order to change the subtitle style. So we click on styles and we can change to default, highlight, impact pop, and so on. So in my case, I prefer to make a box highlight like this. So for each word, there is a box on it. Also, we can change the font and the size. And these are some effects. We can bold the font itself, or we can add some effects such as these, but these also some features you can add to your text by using the customization. And so we got here these effects. You can do the font according to the video as well, and that's how you can create a story for child content using the AI tools. So please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.